What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 is back. Okay, back at home. Alright. So now time for my final thought. Well, before I start the final thought, look what I got. Okay. Alright, so got this at Comic-Con. Yes, indeed. And yep. The Uncanny Horror, okay. Signed by the cast, Corey Wells, L.E. Mataris, I don't know how to pronounce her name, I'm sorry, just in case. Reed Sinclair and William Chavin, I don't know how to pronounce their name though. Sorry about that though, okay. So, got this at Comic-Con and here are their names, okay. Alright, you know, I had fun at Comic-Con today. The best experience of my life, okay? I really enjoyed Comic-Con, and here's my risk, okay? Hopefully Kristen gon' be there tomorrow. Hopefully Allie gonna be there tomorrow, and Chad. Bobby gonna be there, I think Sunday or tomorrow, okay? Alright, so I had lots of fun at Comic-Con. I wish I could have stood a little while longer, but unfortunately I couldn't. Nobody could, okay? Not only that, it was getting dark, and that's that, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed them pictures, though, okay? I was debating on going to Comic-Con tonight, but I went, okay? Yep, it was lots and lots of fun, and I really enjoyed myself, you know? Yep. Met so many people, friendly, nice, everybody, you know? I even done my archives, you know, that's not going to be part of the Comic-Con episode, you know. Maybe the mixture randomness or something, you know. Never know, okay. Alright, so anyway, Dominoes 7 is going to be at Comic-Con tomorrow. Like Bob Barker said, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Alright, thank y'all for watching, alright.